Alright, so let's see how to go live streaming on Twitter X. So either from your feed or from your profile, just tap on this plus sign, and then in these options, you'll see live. Just tap on it, and then select start a live stream. Now we'll quickly walk you through some basic settings. So tap on the mic icon if you want to start audio streaming. If you prefer video, just tap on the video icon once again to begin live video streaming. And from here, you can flip the camera back and forth between front and rear. You can also turn the flash on or off anytime. And then you can enable the like option so viewers can like your live session. And you can also choose who can comment on your stream, ranging from your subscribers to anyone. But if you don't want any comments at all whatsoever, just simply select no one. And then in the what's happening section, you're gonna write a short description related to your live. For this video, we're gonna just type demo live. You can then add your location if you want, otherwise just keep it as it is. So once everything is set, just tap on go live to start streaming. So when your stream begins, you'll see a prompt on your screen confirming that you are now live. And apart from that, your profile picture will also display a live symbol. Alright guys, so when you're finished streaming, just tap on this cross sign and select stop broadcasting. So right after ending this stream, you'll be able to see your analytics and viewing data from here. Now since this is a demo account of us and a mock live session, you might notice unusually large numbers in your case. And you can visit your recorded live sessions anytime you want from your profile as well. And that's pretty much how you can go live on Twitter X. Thanks for your time.